At Intellectual Apps, we believe AI is a tool that can help you solve real business problems. Those annoying, boring business problems. AI is portrayed a lot of time on social media as this creative, artistic tool, generating videos, images, and even in use in marketing for a lot of businesses to generate copy and then product images, even short video clips. No problem with using AI that way. But we believe AI is a tool that can help you solve real business problems. Those deep, annoying type of business problems, the boring type of problems that everyone is running away from. There are a lot of inefficiencies in business. So as a business owner, how do you identify use cases in your business that are good for AI? One thing you can look at is you look at situations in your workflow where you have a lot of workload, where staff and your team generally avoids doing those kinds of tasks because there's a lot of work involved. Another area you can use to identify AI use cases is where you have tasks that are error prone. AI can help you there a lot. Or situations where there's a lot of manual work involved. So you may have parts of your workflow is automated, but certain steps are manual because you need a human to work those tasks. That's a place where you can introduce AI. But I can guarantee you in most businesses is a combination of those three things, two or more of those three things. So that's how you can identify use cases in your business for AI. One thing you can also do to identify use cases in your business is if you have anywhere in your workflow where people click to download an Excel sheet, that's a good indicator, a good signal that AI may be useful in that situation. People do this on your team because they need to get this Excel sheet, they need to get this data so they can run some processes, run some transformation, do some analytics to get some insights. Or in some cases, they transform this data and upload it into yet another system. That's a scenario where AI can come on and help. Another situation is if in your business you have customers that send you emails, either requesting for work or following up on work, or anything that's related to your core business, but it happens through email, an email interface between your business and your customers, then AI can also help there. AI can come in and ingest these emails and classify them and decide which person on your team to route it to or which department to route it to. Or in some cases, you could even have this AI interact with the customers via this email platform, as long as you identify what the goal is for the AI so it knows how to interact with your customers. Usually in a business, when you have this kind of scenario, you would have staff that have to read through these emails, understand it, and then decide what to do. Most times, these could be tasks that are beneath the qualification level of your staff. And they would not want to always do that kind of task, or they do it after they've done everything else, or it's the thing that's actually slowing them down from doing their real work. Or in some cases, it is their real work. So AI can really help there. Another way AI can help in such a scenario is AI could take in these emails and even create suggested responses based on the knowledge in your business. Whether it's structured knowledge, unstructured knowledge, AI can plug into that, see what the request is, and prepare a response, options, and hand that over to a human in your team. And then they can decide or take that as a template and then edit and send a response. That saves you time. That makes your team more productive. It boosts your team morale. And you would see the impact either in reducing costs or increasing your revenue. In some cases, you won't see this effect immediately. It happens over time, but you would see that your staff would be more productive. And when they're more productive, they're going to have higher morale. And when they have higher morale, there's a tendency that they'll be more innovative and more willing to contribute to your business because they see that you as a business leader are actually concerned about the work they do and you are helping them do their work even better. I have a PDF which you can download that teaches or explains to business leaders what to look for in order to identify the good use cases for AI in your business. I'll share a link to that in the comments. I also run AI strategy workshops where I sit down with business leaders to discuss how AI can help their business in a specific way. We look at what you do in the business, we look at where the bottlenecks are, we look at where the painful areas are, and then we see if AI can actually bring any benefit to your business if applied correctly. You don't want to do AI for the sake of AI. You want to solve business problems, and AI is just one of the tools that helps you to solve those business problems. Very slight variation in the point of view there, but it makes a lot of difference. Using AI to solve business problems is different from using AI just for the sake of using AI, so you can check it off your to-do list and say, my business uses AI. You won't use it in the right way, you won't even get the best returns on your investment. But when you want to use AI to solve real problems, then you're able to see clearly, right, the metrics on how it's improving your business, whether it's reducing cost or increasing revenue. So if you want to sign up for that workshop, I'll share a link in the comments as well. Fill in your registration of interest and we'll be in touch and arrange the workshop. It's online or in person. If you like this video, please like it, share it with others so other business owners will see it. If you have any comments, you can add that in the comment section. I'll try and respond to your comments. Thank you.